Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It is officially June. It is summertime, pool days, beach days. It is a tan, evening dinners in the sunset. Just all of the summer activities and all of the summer vibes are about to start. So today I'm going to be switching my tray from the things that I have left over from May, and we're going to be refreshing it. We're going to be adding some summer perfumes that I love to put on during the heat. And where I live right now, it gets hot. So we're gonna get all into it. If you would like to see the fragrances that I'm going to be wearing and also the fragrances that I will be mixing and layering combos and all of that fun stuff, just keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to take out everything that is left over, give it a little cleaning, and we're going to add some fragrances for June. All right, I'm adding a bunch of stuff today because I am in the mood to play. I'm in the mood to find some combos that I love, mists that I love, perfumes that I already know I enjoy. So let's get right into it. I'm going to first put some mist on the outside of the little shelves. So I have all of the new Valentino fragrance mist, which I fell in love with pretty much all of them. I have a video coming up giving you guys my first impressions in a perfume haul. That should be up next after this video. But we have some new mist. I'm not sure when these are going to be released, but I want to test them out and see how I like them when it comes to performance and longevity. But when it comes to actual scent, I love every single one of them. But first, I'm going to be adding 2 Juicy Couture fragrances. I love these fragrances. They smell shampoo-y, like I just took a shower, refreshing, perfect for a hot day when you're feeling sticky and gross. So first up, I'm going to be adding Juicy Couture Oui, which I have raved about many times before. I'm also going to be adding Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy, which is pretty much a classic, and I love it. And it's a very happy, cheery, very cute perfume. For nighttime, I'm going to be adding a skin scent. I actually have a few skin scents, but this one I love for bedtime after I shower, and this one is Clean Reserve Skin. Even though I can literally wear this anywhere, it is just so yummy. It's a skin scent but with a little bit of sweetness and like a tiny bit of like a gourmand touch, but it's barely there. I'm going to be adding this new one to test it out. I want to see how I like this one, how it performs. I'm not sure if this is going to be the right time for it. If it's not, I will bring it back out during fall time. We have Commodity Milk Orchid. I'm very excited to wear this fragrance. Up next, I'm going to be adding Ariana Grande's Cloud Pink, which we are pretty low on this one. I want to use this one up. I've had it for probably like 2-3 years now, and it's one of my favorites. Easy reach, sweet, fruity. Can't wait to start wearing it again. Let's add some summer scents, starting off with one of my favorites, MAC Turquatic Mermaid in a Bottle. I'm also going to add my beloved Ocean di Gioia, which I have a little bit. I'm gonna finish this month, and before I finish it, I need to get myself another one somehow. eBay, Mercari, I don't care, but I'm not gonna be without this. Up next, I'm going to be adding L'OR Sublimity, which is such a perfect scent for summertime. Very, very excited to wear this one. Another summer perfume that I love so much. It's not super long lasting here because of the heat, but I really love the scent and I cannot wait to start wearing it again. This is Ellis Brooklyn Sunfruit. One of the few that still work for me here from Ellis Brooklyn, along with the Apple Love. Those two I really love here, and I'm so happy that they work for me here. I'm going to add some more skin scents to the tray for those days where maybe I'm not in the mood for strong perfumes, since summer here is very brutal. So I'm gonna be adding some Dead Cool Milk, which this is bergamot. It's refreshing skin scent, so good. I'm also going to be adding the 7 Virtues Amber Vanilla, another sugary skin scent that I love. And I'm also going to be adding Glossier You, which is back in my collection. Now I want to add some perfumey scents, so I'm going to be adding Valentino's Voce Viva, which I love so much. I'm also going to be adding Fleur's Soft Spot. If you know, you know. This is my ultimate favorite scent. I love this for date night. It's one of my all-time favorites, and I have loved it ever since I got it. It was love at first sniff, and it only gets better with time. We have a very full tray this month, so I'm only going to add one more perfume, and that's going to be Kayali's Eden Juicy Apple. I want to finish this too because it's getting incredibly musky, and I just want to finish it and possibly get myself a new bottle so that I can experience that fresh red apple again that I got from this one in the beginning. So Yeah, one of my favorites from KLE. All right, so here is my tray for June. I hope that you guys enjoy this. There was no color theme this month. I just wanted to add as many perfumes as I can to see what I'm having fun with, what's working for me, and also those mist right there. Cannot wait to get into those so that I can report back to you. So with that said, let me know which fragrances caught your attention, which ones you're excited for me to talk about this upcoming month. Let me know which ones work for you, don't work for you. Let's go ahead and let's chat about these fragrances in the comments section. And with that said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.